Learn options trading for scaredy cats. Whether the market is up, down, or sideways, don't be a scaredy cat trading options. You don't have to worry, scaredy cat. Options have your back. But let's put it this way. Option trading is not for the scaredy cat who doesn't know what they're doing. Now, you can learn option trades for any market to bootstrap a trading account from scratch on a shoestring budget and be your own boss. When the market is down, trade bear put spreads and bear call spreads to make money. When the market is sideways, trade strangle spreads, butterfly spreads, and iron condors to make money. If you wish you knew sooner how to trade options to make money working from home, and this sounds too good to be true,